Let's talk about efficiencies in hull systems. And what I specifically want to talk about today is converting this 3-to-1 into a 9-to-1 and to overcome a common problem when you compound your systems. Now, a compound system is a simple pulley system acting upon a simple pulley system. So right now we have a 3-to-1. So let's make this into a 9-to-1. Okay, and it's fairly simple. I'm going to extend my throw out. Okay, I'm going to be raising this log over here. And I'm going to make a 9-to-1. Now I have a CMC clutch here, so that's going to be my progress capture. So a 9-to-1 is, as a compound system, is nothing more than a 3-to-1 on a 3-to-1. So I'm going to go all the way up here. And this is my rescue sender. Okay, so you put a little tension on that. And let's extend this up again. Okay, this is a 9-to-1 compound mechanical advantage hull system. Okay, it's a 3-to-1 acting on a 3-to-1. Now, my point was not to go over a 9-to-1 per se, but to show you a common problem. And the common problem is the collapse rate of the second 3-to-1 versus the original. So I'm going to go ahead and haul this log. And the rate of travel is going to be much faster on my secondary. Okay, it's a 9-to-1, so I have to pull 9 feet of tail to raise that 1 foot. And my pulleys have met, and I had to reset my system. And if you look down, my log is about 4 feet off the ground. Okay, so this is the problem. We don't want to have to continually have to reset our system. It's just it's a time waster. So what you can do is, this is going to stay put, is you can find an anchor behind your original anchor, and I've already got one set up, and we're just going to walk back to it. And I'm going to have to let that tail go. Okay, okay, now if you look, I've got my secondary anchor for my secondary 3-to-1 on the tail of my original 3-to-1. Okay, what this allows us to do is have a long throw rate. And you can even, take this up a little bit. Okay, now I have 30 feet or so. I can literally just walk back. Okay, and you can see now I'm getting some height on that log, and I've not even had to reset my throw. Okay, so this is a common way of being efficient with your compound systems. Otherwise, you'll be resetting this throw constantly. If you have a choice, do something like that. Okay, now, caveat is this anchor is in line with my first anchor which is in line with where my load is going up. Okay, you may not have that. You may not have this option because there may not be something back here. So I'm gonna go ahead and shut the camera off, reconfigure this, and show you a different way of doing this. You lose a little bit of efficiency, but it's a good compromise. So hang on, I'll be right back. Okay, let's talk about our compromise. Okay, we still have our original system, our 3-to-1, but this time we're pretending that we don't have an anchor straight back behind us. And we do have a tree here, but it is not in line with my others. So we're going to do a redirect, and this is the compromise right here. And it's nothing more than slinging an anchor and putting the largest pulley that you have on this redirect, because by virtue of us making this 90-degree turn and putting our 3-to-1 past our redirect, we're losing efficiency. But sometimes you don't have a choice. So if I were to, and over there's my other anchor, I just picked another tree. This is still a 9-to-1. It's just a little bit less efficient, okay? So put a little tension on it, and you can hear that clicking of the clutch. If you look at it over there, you can see my log going up. I'm trying my best to keep the tail of the original 3-to-1 in line and at the same angle. That's why this anchor is so low over here. Because again, by virtue of us having to go 90 degrees, we're losing a degree of efficiency here. But again, sometimes you don't have that choice. So, but this is it. This is your, as you can see here. Okay, I think I'm getting close. Nope, no, it's stuck. Okay, I'm about at the top of that tree, so I'm gonna stop there. But okay, this is a compromise. This is a compound 9-to-1 with a redirect. Okay, hope this helps. See you guys on the next one.